Welcome to planet Crystalium.
Its most common mineral is the crystal. That's why it's named Crystalium.
It revolves around Capella, the sixth brightest star in the sky. Capella's name is from the Latin for little she-goat. Capella is a yellow giant star like our own sun, but much larger.
Scientists went to Crystalium, and here's some of the many footages they have put together to show you, from species and populations of Crystalium all the way to the scenery and gorgeous plants.
The species on Crystalium are...
I'm fishing for dolphin!
This is the dolphin, or rainbow dolphin. It is similar to dolphins on Earth, except it is much more exquisite and beautiful. As you can see here, it has black eyes and it is rainbow colored. The dolphin is both a land and sea animal. It is actually a mammal, so it must breathe above water. It is a species, but when mated with other animals, it sometimes cannot reproduce. It can only reproduce with another dolphin.
Look at the dolphin caring for its baby.
It's caring for a turtle dolphin, a mix of a turtleluga and a dolphin. As you can see, it has the vibrant colors, but it is yet still the body of a turtleluga.
A turtleluga is only a land animal. Hi, I'm Kylie Birch, and I'm one of the many scientists studying on Crystalium. Let's go check out our abiotic factors, also known as non-living things.
This is Lake Gaston, one of the abiotic factors in this ecosystem. Next, we're going to introduce you to some biotic factors of this ecosystem, otherwise known as living things.
Let's take a look. This is the birch tree. It's one of the most populated trees here on Crystalium. You may know a birch tree back on Earth where we come from, but that's spelled B-I-R-C-H, and that produces seeds. This tree, however, instead produces creatures. On each of these leaves, you are seeing a creature ready to be born. And this is the very populated birch tree, for so many animals live here. Let's take a closer look at these animals, shall we?
This is the barbalam. This part is herbivore, which means it only eats plants, and this part is omnivore, which means it only eats plants and animals. If it were a carnivore, it would only eat animals. Let's take a look what it also does.
As you can see, this is the barbalam, half barba, half lambini. The barba is an omnivore, and it lives in the birch tree, as we saw earlier. It's an omnivore because it's able to eat the creatures off the tree sprouts, and it's also able to eat the vegetation growing around it. The lambini roams in the beautiful meadows of broom meadows. It's called broom meadows because the grass sweeps back and forth in a broom sweeping motion. Now, be careful and remember, it is a scary beast because it's a predator for the turtleluga because it hunts it. And then it's prey for the dolphin because the dolphin eats it. This was the barbalam.
In this community, the birch tree is a habitat for many animals.
In the broom meadows, there's a producer called grass that this consumer eats.
Hey, so as you were looking through these beautiful broom meadows, you may notice that the mushroomies are the ever so delightful decomposers here in this meadow. And the lambini's niche is to eat this grass. Its purpose in life is literally to eat it. The decomposer's niche is to sit here and decompose any dead bodies and dead vegetation. Oh, these parasites are killing me. I think I got another itch on my butt.
These parasites are killing me. I think I'm gonna die.
Oh, it must be parasitism season again.
Not again.
They must be having a competition between each other on my back. I think I feel a brawl coming on. Yeah, down here at this food web, we're at the top. Yeah, we're pretty feisty predators, if you know what I mean.
Yep, in this food chain, we're the top.
We eat insects down here in broom meadows. The only thing that comes close to harming us big dogs, get it? Dog pun. The only thing that comes close to harming us big dogs is those animal creature things in the birchwood tree. I mean, have you seen the barbalam? Scary!
people feel the relationship between humans and dogs is symbiotic.
Especially here on Crystalium.
Mutualism is the relationship between animals where both of them benefit.
For example, like this turtleluga and this Roffin. When they both mate together, they save both their species and create a new species / population that is helping their environment. It'll take away less insects and less predators. Competition is an interaction between organisms or species in which the fitness of one is lowered by the presence of another. As you can see here, these two barbas are fighting over for their mate. Let's see those two brawl.
This is an example of communalism because the barba is living on the birch tree, which helps the barba, but the birch tree is unaffected by it.
When barbas lose a fight for their mate, they have to jump out of the birch tree, as you see here. All of this is an example of ecology, the study of life.
All of these scientists are
Bloopies!
Here in this wonderful Crystalium Island, what are you guys doing? Get back here!
Fishing for Ralphin!
wavy vision.
Surfboard.
Hey, what time is it?
It's cartwheel time! Cartwheels on Crystalium!
Cartwheels on Crystalium.
Oh no! You threw the Barbie in the pond! I'm sorry! Wait, was that when Joe Jonas?
Yes, get it! Sorry!
3, 2, oh, crap, it already started recording. Oh, guys, okay.
Yeah! Don't you just love Crystalium?
Of course! Oh! It's
I am your trusty cameraman.